If you make this mistake, so forget, and you shouldn't have ambition that I want to become a good English speaker in the rural area. For learning anything, it's also necessary that you need to avoid something, because in everything, I'm not talking about English, but all the things, we need to have some limitation, we need to have some restriction for doing those things. And if we do something restrictive things, so definitely they will make us bad for learning any kind of things not in English. So this is why in this video I'm gonna tell you what should you avoid if you want to learn English. So greeting everyone, I am Ankit Kumar, and in this video I'm gonna tell you what do you need to avoid so that you can learn English in the rural area like me. So without any procrastination, let's get started. So firstly that one thing I like to share with you, that you don't have to be you don't have to be flustered that how many days it will take to learn English. I think after how many times I will become a fluent speaker in this language. So one thing I like to share with you, that you don't have to think about it, because for learning any kind of thing, you don't have to think that I have to become an advanced speaker, I have to become a native speaker in this language, in even if you live in the rural area. So firstly you have to, I think you need to have a big ambition. But one thing I like to share with you, that you don't have to think in your mind that bro, how many days will it take to become a native or fluent speaker in this language. So this is why one thing I like to share with you, that you don't have to think how many days it will take. First is, second I like to share with you that um, you have to force yourself, because without forcing yourself you can't learn English. And one thing I like to share with you, that it's not a this modest, I think it's not a non-motivational video. I mean that I am not discouraging you to learn this language, I am encouraging you. But we need to also be cautious that if we want to learn any kind of thing, so we need to also do something, we need to also avoid something, so that any kind of obstacle wouldn't come in our paths. So this is why. So second is like, you have to force yourself, because in the rural area you will not get anybody who can learn, who can talk with you in English. And English or any kind of language, I think if you are not living in the respective atmosphere, so you will have to definitely you will have to burn yourself in this situation. So this is why you have to force yourself to speak English. And I think even if you make mistake, don't worry bro, I think one thing I like to say with you, I think right now I have been speaking English for at least 2 years, but still I have been making mistakes, but I never think about it. I try to learn the things from my failures, from my faults, but I never think about that why I made mistake. Not because mistakes is the part of, you really know that the failure is the part of success. So this is why you don't have to think that how many days sorry I think how should I make, I think why I made mistakes. So this is why you don't have to think about it. Always think, and you have to, yes, one thing I like to say with you, I think where you made mistakes, so that time you should try to improve. Now you should try to convalesce that thing. So this is why. And next thing I like to share with you, that third thing that you have to avoid learning, I think advanced vocabulary. I'm not telling that I think you shouldn't learn advanced vocabulary. I think vocabulary is the important, but you don't have to learn those vocabularies that never come in your day-to-day life conversation, in your day-to-day life. For example, if I learn anything about for example YouTube, some words right now I'm not I think the words are not coming in my mind. But for example, you have to think that a native speaker has been using some words in their day-to-day life conversation. For example, if you are a student, or if you remember the words that are being used by an entrepreneur, or by a, like, by a sport player, anything. So can you believe that those words will come in your life to be used? Never. Sometimes, often, and often, which means you can't learn them. So this is why you don't have to learn those words that you rarely use them. So this is why you don't have to remember. And second, like, you don't have to remember, I think, long word sentence, long words word, because I think you are just starting your English, you are just starting your journey with this language. So this is why you have to go by 1 2 3. I mean that you have to go with sequence. I mean that if you have, for example, like, you have just started your English speaking and you want to speak like a native speaker, so you can't do it. So this is why always think about that, you have to go with sequence. So this is why. Third is, you don't have to force yourself, you have to force yourself to speak English. Next is, like, that you have to watch English videos. In the beginning time, I'm not telling you, but in the beginning time you have to watch the videos in your native language, but with English subtitles. Okay, you have to, why are you bothering? I think you are bothering yourself. You have to watch any kind of videos in your native language but with English subtitles, because when you watch the English subtitles, when you watch the videos with English subtitles, so that time it will definitely improve your English fluency, English vocabulary, or understanding English. So this is why. So you have to watch, even if you don't stand not, you have to watch the videos with English subtitles in the beginning, and after 2 to 3 months you have to start watching English videos, even if you don't understand, even if you don't understand even single words, but you have to watch, because if you are in the rural area, so you will have to force yourself to learning this language. And next thing that you have to avoid, you don't have to speak your native language again and again. For example, if you have started English journey, if you have started learning English, so from that onwards you have to translate all the things. I think many things, many YouTuber, many English learners suggest that you don't have to translate yourself, but I mean that in the beginning time you have to translate all the things that you speak in your native language. For example, if you are going to eat food, so that time, instead of saying मैं खाना खाने जा रहा हूँ, you have to say I am going to eat food. Instead of saying मैं पानी पीने जा रहा हूँ, you can say I am going to drink water. So this is why you have to think about it. You have to translate, because I've learned this language through translating. I think when I started this language, so that time I had no anybody who could suggest me, who could talk with me. So this is why you have to translate any kind of things that you are speaking in your native language, you have to translate it into English, and from that onwards you have to start English. So this is why. And the next thing I like to share with you, that you need to have a strong reason. If you don't have any strong reason, so I think you can't learn English, and I told this thing in my many videos. So this is why you need to have a strong reason, because a strong reason, which means goal. And I think if you want to think that what should I have the reason for learning this language, so please check out this video, because in that video I have given, I think, at least 4 to 5 reasons, strong reasons to learn English in this era, in this AI era. So this is why, that's what I want to tell you in this language, in this video, and I hope that uh, you will be avoiding these mistakes and also embracing that I have told in this video. So let's meet with the next video. And one thing I like to share with you, that um, don't worry bro, I think failure is the part of success, failure is the part of a great innings. So this is why, if you think that if you are fed up with this language, so don't worry, keep with this thing, keep yourself with this thing. I think the Lord will definitely help you like me. So now I'm going to end this video. Let's meet with the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.